Okay, I just want to talk to you guys about the groups that you guys are in. I sent everyone an email, the very first week one email, and towards the bottom of that email, you'll see the email addresses of everyone else that's in your group. These group meetings every week, I might have some stuff for you to do, or you might have just a normal week where there's just time to discuss things. In order to be able to have your group, I want you guys to meet at least. I want you personally to attend at least 10 out of the 15 weeks. Attend meetings, um, and when you attend meetings, I'm going to show you what I want you to do. So this is, I'm going to click on uh, Canvas and log in. And when you log in, go to our Canvas course. So we've got the Canvas course right here. Um, and you can, every single week, you'll have a small assignment to do with your group. And in order to get your group points, there's two ways to access it. You can either go to the unit one, and then you have the week one, week two, week three, so on and so forth. And you can go down and see, okay, 1-1-1 group meeting, and you can click on that. And when you click on that, you'll see, okay, I want you guys to have some sort of meeting. I really don't care what kind of meeting you have. You can FaceTime, you can Zoom, you can have something, but I just want you guys to be connecting every single week. And the reason why is because we don't meet in a classroom. I really don't even meet with you guys on Zoom unless you guys come to like the quiz reviews that I conduct at 11 o'clock on Mondays. But I want you guys to connect with one another. And when you connect, it's you are able to work with one another and help one another to be able to complete those. To complete your homework, to ask one another questions that you might be struggling on the content, and just to have an overall connection with other people in your class. And so each week I'll have some instructions in here for you. And so this right here, it says, okay, designate someone to be in charge of submitting the group document on Canvas. And it'd be good if it was somebody different each week. And then you as a group are going to submit one document. And you're probably thinking, okay, what document? Well, let me do it from a student's perspective. So this is what it'll look like from a student's perspective. And what you do, okay, I'm just going to copy and paste this, Control C, submit assignment. Um, and so you're submitting this for everyone, and then you're going to have some sort of meeting. Okay. Designate someone to be in charge of the meeting. So let's just say that I'm in charge of the meeting. So the people that are here is Joe, Joe um, Smith, Jane Doe, Jack Black, Sean Eide, and the fifth person from our group did not come. Okay, so then have a discussion about the best time to meet weekly. I would suggest sometime between Thursday and Sunday. If that last person doesn't show for your first meeting, make sure that you reach out to them and see if you can establish a time that works for everyone. So record the time and day. The reason why I say after Thursday is because when you guys take your group exams together, the group exams are going to be open from Thursday until Sunday. So if you already have a time to meet that's after Thursday, or Thursday or later, you're already going to be set up every single week to be able to work on that group exam together those three times when you have the group exam. So then you just put, okay, we decided that our meeting time is going to be Sunday at let's just say Sunday at 2 p.m. Um, these meetings don't have to be long. literally just connecting for 15-20 minutes is fine, if that's all that you need. But if you guys want to connect longer, that'd be great too. Like I said, it's about helping you guys to connect with one another and helping each other to do the homework, and to understand the material better. Okay. Have everyone share something interesting about themselves. And so we're going to do uh, these four people. Joe Smith uh, has lived in 10 different states. Jane Doe, um, let's see, something interesting about Jane Doe. She went to Puerto Rico over the break. Hopefully you've got other interesting stuff. Jack Black has been in 25 major motion pictures. And then Sean Eide can ride a unicycle. There we go. Some interesting stuff. And then I want you guys to come up with a group name. So let's call ourselves the Wonder Kids. And then all that you got to do is click submit. See, submit a document stating the names of the members and notes. And this just shows me that you guys actually met and did it. And then when you guys do this, you all basically just get everyone who's there gets the 5 out of 5 for that meeting. So the way that this works is, like I said, there's a total of 15 weeks. So I only count the top 10 weeks. So as long as you guys show up for 10 out of 15 weeks, you'll get a 50 out of 50. Um, this also includes, like, if you guys meet together and you meet with me at the same time. I say in there, you guys have to meet with me as a group 4 times throughout the semester. And the reason why I'm doing that is because I want to connect with you, answer questions, and have that interpersonal relationship with you in a much more uh, a smaller atmosphere. I don't want it to be that giant 100-person group meeting. I want you guys to be able to ask questions with other people that you know, and I'll be able to help you with that. So if you attend those, that counts for that week's meeting. And then what else was I going to say? So I want you guys to do that 4 times throughout the semester, where you meet with one another with me. And I want you guys, I know you won't be able to necessarily show up to every single one of those meetings when I'm there, but I want you guys to be able to attend at least 3 out of the 4 when you meet with me. And there are group meeting times. You just have to go in order to do the group meeting time. I'll show you really quick. I didn't realize that it gave you like confetti when you submitted an assignment. Um, and also you can resubmit the assignment. So if there's another person, if you mess something up, you can add a person and be like, oh, this person also was there. So let's go home, and you will see, okay, here's the information. And if you want to book office hours, you book group office hours. So I clicked on that book group office hours and select group meeting. And you'll notice that you have the ability to have these group meeting times. And for group meeting times, I also allow you to meet on Thursday evenings or Thursday mornings. You can also meet on Mondays from 9 until 3:30. So those times are available, and we can go from there. And so I just need you guys to meet with me, like I said, 4 times throughout, or you personally need to be at 3 of those. And if you are only able to make 2, um, if you only show up to 2 of those, then you would lose 10 points off of that 50 point participation. If you only make 1, then you would lose 20 points. And then if you don't show up to any meeting with me, then you would lose 30 points. But I'm really trying to, it really should be a really easy 50 out of 50. It's literally showing up and participating and interacting with a small group. And I'm hoping with it being a smaller group and having those times that are in a smaller group with me are going to be really beneficial to your success. The reason why I'm making them worth so much is because I really want you to be there. If I'm going to be there, if I'm going to work with your group on a much smaller, group setting, I really want to make sure that you guys are all there working together and as a group. So that's pretty much what I got for that. If you guys have questions, like I said, interact with one another on uh, figure out how you guys are going to connect via your group. And then if you have questions, you can feel free to reach out via group me. Those group me groups are really great to just ask questions. They're not as invasive as email. So I really like the group me groups because it really helps also to connect with other individuals in the class. So feel free to reach out on the group me groups or send me a direct message on group me. Or if you want to, you can also send me an email, but I do get back to the group me a lot quicker than email. So yeah, thanks for your questions so far. That's your questions, and you guys reaching out to me is one of the reasons why I'm actually recording this little lecture right now. So when you guys ask questions, that's when I make a little explanation video, so that way everyone can see and know what's going on. Cool.